Hello guys! Today we are going to learn an informative content by Versatile Dome. Interiors that connect. What is drywall? Drywall. Brick. What is drywall? Drywall is a building material used to make walls and ceilings inside buildings. It's made of a gypsum core, a soft white mineral, placed between two sheets of thick paper. Wrench. Why use drywall? Quick and easy to install. Smooth surface for painting or wallpaper. Fire resistant, sound insulating, and affordable. Used in homes, offices, schools, and almost all buildings. Types of drywall. There are different types of drywall, which possess different applications. These are 1. Regular drywall, white board. 2. Moisture-resistant drywall, green board. 3. Paperless drywall. 4. Flexible drywall. 5. Fire-resistant drywall, type X. 6. Soundproof drywall. 7. Mold-resistant drywall, blue board. 8. Foil-backed drywall. Let's focus on these one by one. 1. Regular drywall, white board. It is most common type. This drywall used for normal interior walls and ceilings. Regular drywall has white paper on front, gray on the back. Different size range available from 3/8 to 1. The size available is 4 feet by 8 feet. 2. Moisture-resistant drywall, green board. Green coating to resist moisture. Used in humid areas like kitchens, basement walls, laundry room, utility room, and bathrooms. It is not waterproof, just moisture-resistant. 3. Paperless drywall. Uses fiberglass on both sides instead of paper covering. More resistant to mold and moisture. It is very durable. Little tougher than regular drywall, but some construction pros find it easier to cut. It has some slight textures that will require applying joint compound to achieve a smooth, clean finish drywall level. 4. Flexible drywall. It is thin and bendable. It is used for curved walls and ceilings and rounded stairwells or walls. Size usually comes in 1/4 inch or 3/8 inch thick. 5. Fire-resistant drywall, type X. It contains special fibers for extra fire resistance. Used in garages, furnace rooms, and between apartment walls. Several thickness can be used in layers to achieve a higher fire rating. It comes in 5/8 thickness, and its extra thickness can also improve its soundproofing characteristics. 6. Soundproof drywall. Thicker and made with multiple layers and special materials like wood fibers, gypsum, etc. Used in music rooms, theaters, or between apartment units. Denser than regular drywall, hence hard to cut. It is heavy and more expensive. 7. Mold-resistant drywall, blue board. Paper surface is specially treated to resist moisture and mold growth. Designed for veneered plaster finish, blue board doesn't take paint directly. Not waterproof, but more mold resistant than regular drywall. Used in bathrooms, not inside the shower, basements, laundry rooms, areas with high humidity. And the last one is foil-backed drywall. A standard drywall with a thin layer of aluminum foil laminated to the backside, the side that faces the studs. The foil acts as a vapor barrier, helping control moisture and temperature. Use in exterior walls in cold regions, basements, ceilings under attics, mobile homes, or modular buildings. Sometimes people get confused about drywall with gypsum. Let's see the difference. Drywall versus gypsum. Drywall is a building material made by sandwiching gypsum between two sheets of paper, or fiberglass in paperless drywall. It also called plasterboard or gypsum board. It is the finished product made with gypsum plus paper, used for walls and ceilings. Gypsum is a soft, white or gray mineral made of calcium, sulfur, and water. It is used to make things like plaster of Paris, for molds and casts, drywall or gypsum boards, for walls and ceilings, and fertilizer, to help plants grow better. It's easy to shape when mixed with water and becomes hard when it dries. It is the mineral used to make drywall. Think of it like this. Gypsum is the ingredient, and drywall is the final dish. You can contact us on Instagram, Pinterest, YouTube, or you can drop us a mail on our mail ID. We'll write back with some new and creative content for you soon. Till then, like, share and subscribe us.